Hey, you look worried. What happened?
I lost my phone.
Lost? Like really lost?
Not exactly. I locked myself out. The phone is inside the house.
So no phone and no key?
Exactly. And my roommate will be back very late.
That sounds stressful.
It was at first.
What did you do then?
Nothing. I had no choice but to do nothing.
No scrolling, no messages?
No notifications, no checking time, no music.
How did that feel?
Uncomfortable, very uncomfortable. My hands kept reaching for my pocket
Like a habit?
like an addiction.
So what filled the silence?
Sounds, real sounds, birds, cars, wind.
You noticed them before?
They were always there, I just ignored them.
Did time feel slower?
Much slower, but also fuller.
Fuller how?
I wasn't jumping between apps. I stayed in one moment.
Did you talk to people?
Yes, I talked to a neighbor, a barista, an old man in the park,
Without checking your phone while talking?
without even thinking about it.
That's rare these days.
I realized how often I pretend to listen.
And this time?
I really listened.
What about food?
It tasted better.
Because you were hungry or because you were present?
Because I was present, I wasn't eating with one hand and scrolling with the other.
Did you feel lonely?
Sometimes, but it was a quiet loneliness, not the anxious one.
What's the difference?
One asks for distraction, the other asks for understanding.
Interesting.
I started thinking about life, about myself.
Deep thoughts?
Honest thoughts, the kind that phones usually interrupt.
Were you scared of missing something?
At first, yes, messages, calls, news.
And later?
Later, I realized nothing urgent was missing.
That must feel freeing.
It did, and also a little scary,
Why scary?
because I saw how dependent I had become.
So when you finally got your phone back,
It felt heavy.
heavy?
Too many notifications, too many voices at once.
Did you reply to them immediately?
No, I put the phone down, face down.
That's new.
I wanted to keep that calm a bit longer.
Did the day change you?
Yes, not dramatically, but clearly.
In what way?
I learned that silence is not empty.
What is it then?
It's space. Space to feel, to think, to breathe.
Will you try it again?
Maybe. Not by accident next time.
On purpose?
On purpose.
So, what did that day give you?
A reminder
About what?
that life happens outside the screen.
And your phone?
It's still useful, but it's no longer the center.
Sounds like balance.
Exactly.
One last question. Was it worth it?
Losing my phone for a day?
Yes.
It helped me find myself.